Hey everybody, we just picked the zucchinis from our garden and you get to watch us measure it. From here to here, what does that look like to you? That 19 inches?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks like it's about 19 inches for this guy. I wonder how many inches across is it? The fattest point? What? It looks like it's 5 inches at the fattest point.
Mm-hmm.
Going further down this way. 5 inches.
Mm-hmm.
And this guy is 16.5 inches.
16.5.
Yep. And this one's 18. 18 and a half, 18 inches or 46 centimeters. This one is 41 centimeters. And this one's 49 centimeters.
Wow.
Let us know in the comments what you would do with these zucchinis.
Bye.
Bye.